If you've lost access to your Status.im account and don't have your phone number, you can still recover your account by following these steps. This guide will walk you through the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the Status.im website. Go to the official Status.im website using a web browser. Look for the login or account recovery options available on the homepage. Step 2. Select Account Recovery. Find and click on the Account Recovery link. This will direct you to the recovery options where you can initiate the process to regain access to your account. Step 3. Provide your email address. Enter the email address associated with your Status.im account. This is crucial as it will be used to send you recovery instructions or a verification link. Step 4. Check your email. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRAG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Create a new password. Once you have verified your identity, you will be prompted to create a new password for your account. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before to ensure your account's security. After completing these steps, you should be able to access your Status.im account without needing your phone number. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Status.im support for further assistance.